Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today we're going to be talking about the Butter Mad Bull Muzzle Dildo. So let's get started. So this is the Mad Bull Muzzle Dildo itself, a very unique and interesting shape. Now this is an XL dildo, so therefore is not recommended for beginners and is recommended for advanced or expert users. The XX dildo has a rounded head with 3 large stimulating ridges just here, and it also features a smooth shaft. The broad foot simultaneously serves as an extra strong suction cup, so you can place it on a flat, smooth surface and enjoy. It's also slightly flexible and it's also firm. And we recommend to always use your fisting dildos in combination with a fisting lubricant. This gives more comfort and makes penetration easier. We can recommend the Butter Fist Gel, which is a water-based gel, slightly thicker, smooth and easy in combination with silicone toys, and also safe to use with latex condoms. You can also use a water-based lubricant or an anal-based lubricant for extra comfort during use. And of course make sure to clean after every use, and for this we recommend to use a toy cleaner and lukewarm water. Alternatively, you can also use a mild antibacterial soap and lukewarm water too. And that is the Butter Mad Bull Muzzle Dildo. If you have any questions, drop a comment below and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time.